Hey, what's up, guys? Want to shoot this quick video. Tell you a little bit about how proximity Bluetooth marketing works. If you see here, I got my what you call a beacon. Right? Bam. Check that out. Now this little device, all right, sends a signal to any Bluetooth enabled phone, right, within a 150-foot radius of this beacon. All right. So you see it's not connected to my phone or anything. It's over here. It could be in a room. It could be outside, whatever. So here's my phone. Let me bring this up. All right. You see here. See that? That's my phone. See that message right there? Hate your 9 to 5. That message is coming from that beacon right there. All right, guys. Keep in mind, if you are, this can help out anybody. It don't matter if you're a realtor, you own a bakery, anything. You are artist, auto repair, a chiropractor, a dentist, anything. This actually can help you out. You can promote any message you want. You can build a buyer's list. You can promote specials. Anything you want to do, you could do it. This right here, super inexpensive. You're looking at, I believe, around $10 a month just for this. So you want to promote. This is a must because everybody is going to have these at some point. So you can get yours now. Check the link in this post, wherever it's at, or you can contact me, send me a message, whatever, and I can get you one of these. This right here is one of the smallest ones. They got we got four different ones you could choose from, and we got some that actually can shoot, almost up to 1,000 feet away. So just depends on what your needs is. Cammy, chill out. The dog going crazy. All right, guys, just want to show you a little bit about how that works. Proximity Bluetooth marketing. If you don't got one, you better get one. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.